We have here a Quantum Edge 6 made by Pride Mobility. Quantum Edge 6. Now this chair has the 6-inch seat lift. So that's the only thing this chair has. If you're looking for a chair with a seat lift, this one has a 6-inch seat lift. The chair was only used for a couple months. It's practically new condition. It's a little bit of an older model, but it's still brand new. It does have the 6-inch seat lift. And to make the seat lift go up on this one is very simple. You go right to the joystick. There's 2 blue buttons. Hit any of the blue buttons. Keep pushing the blue button until you see a picture of the seat on your screen. As soon as you see a picture of your chair on this little mini screen here, you can use your joystick back and forth to go up and down with the seat. So if I push it back, you can see the seat going up. So you're going to start at 22 inches. And by the time you're all the way up, of course, you'll be at 28 inches. Okay? And then if you put it back in drive, let me go back to drive. You can still drive this chair with the seat elevated. Okay? Now, of course, you'll be driving at a reduced speed. So if you're looking for a power chair with a seat lift, and you want to have the Quantum base, which is a very popular base. It's the high-end base on all the extreme power chairs. This is a Quantum base. If you want that 6-inch seat lift, here you go. Let's look at the base real quick. We've got 14-inch solid wheels. They will not mark your floor. Caster wheels in the front, caster wheels in the back. You can see the anchor points. There's one here, and there's one here. There's 2 more on the other side. There's 4 of these. This is where you secure your chair to your lift if you want to transport this chair, okay? You have a motor for each wheel. Each wheel has its own independent motor. This chair probably weighs 300 pounds, so if I can't lift it and I can't push it because it's in gear. But if you turn the power off, and the reason you want the power off, you want no resistance in the motor, power off. You see the yellow handle here? Push it down. And what that does, it unlocks your wheel. You have to do both motors on both sides. Put the handles down, and you can roll the chair around. Handle back up, and you can see you're back in gear. Okay? The thing about this chair that makes this chair good is that the base on this chair is a fantastic base. The motors are good. The suspension, if you look at the suspension in front of this chair, let me go over here. You can see the heavy duty suspension here. That's for this fork. That suspension is for that fork. And you have the same suspension in the back. This is why this chair has such a great ride. This suspension here covers this side and that side. These are independent. If I raise this one, you can see that one stays on the ground. Okay? So those are 4 independent suspension. Let's bring the seat back down. So I'm going to bring it back to the picture. Push the seat forward. The joystick forward. This is a swing away joystick, so you can get to a dining table a lot closer instead of having to raise the arms up. You can see you save about 8-9 inches. I'm going to put it back in drive, move it forward, and I'm going to turn it so I can show you the seat. The seat on this chair is a large seat. It's 20 by 20. 20 wide, 20 deep, so it's a very large seat. It does have a safety belt. The arms do flip up, and they also go out if you need more width. But remember, on this chair, the arms right here are at 26 inches. The wheels are at 24, so your seat is bigger than your base. So 26 inches right here is from outside of arm. You need to know that, okay? You have a flip-up foot plate, so if you exit the chair, and this foot plate can be moved in more. Right now it's sitting right here. It could be sitting right here when it's up, about 2 inches more. It's sitting far for people who want it forward, but it can also be brought in. The batteries in this chair come out from the front. There's 2 batteries. If you move this right here, you can see the batteries. So you can see how easy that was to take the front end. There's 2 batteries. They come out back to back, okay? So on any Quantum power chairs, Quantum Edges, most of the time the batteries come out from the front, okay? So there's your flip up foot plate. And if you had to take the seat off, there's a little lever you squeeze here. You squeeze it. There we go. Okay, well that one's stuck there. Okay, so if you had to take the seat off, you might have to spray this right here a little bit. The seat pops right off, you can take it right off the chair. But I don't know why you'd have to take the seat off because the batteries on this one come out from the front, so there's no sense in removing the seat. So this is a mid-wheel drive, so it turns on itself. So if you see how it turns? It turns in that little space right there all day long because it's a mid-wheel drive. Mid-wheel drive means the drive wheels are in the middle, they're not in the front, and you have 6 wheels on the ground. That would be a mid-wheel drive. When you charge this chair, you'll take your charger. I'm going to use this one for now. Oh, actually it's over here. So you take your quantum charger right here and you plug it right below the joystick right here. And as soon as the light goes from orange to green, the batteries are full, okay? There's 2 batteries in here. Put that over here. There's 2 batteries in here. They're supposed to give you about up to 15 miles on a battery charge. That all depends if you're outside, going uphill in the grass, the weight of the user. If you use the seat lift, you're not going to get 15 miles, but you will get a long, long ways on these batteries. So it's up to 15 miles. So if you're looking for a nice power chair, Quantum Edge 6 with a 6-inch seat lift, practically brand new with the suspension, the high-end base, this and the 20 by 20 seat, this would be another nice one. So this is a Quantum Edge 6 power chair with a 6-inch seat lift. Top speed of this chair is probably around 5.5, 6 miles an hour. Really smooth. And when you let go of the joystick, the chair stops right away because you have electromagnetic brakes, which helps the motors slow down the chair. You can see the power it has going through the grass. So this chair will go through a lot of grass. As long as you have good bottom, then you're all set. So again, this is the, I'm gonna raise the seat up so you can see the seat going up 6 inches right here. And I'm gonna put it back in drive. I want to show you the top speed. Let me just turn it around. So if you had the seat elevated, you can still drive this chair at this speed right here, which is walking speed, about 2 miles an hour. So it'll still move around with the seat elevated. So if you're looking for a nice power chair with a heavy body, a heavy motor, heavy base, with a large 20 by 20 seat, practically brand new with a 6-inch seat lift, this would be a nice one. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.